Guys, napanood nyo ba yung Especially For You episode ni MMD and Attorney Oliver? Oh my God. When Attorney Oliver said,
I would never ask her to stop chasing her dreams, even if that means we would spend less time together. I understand how important her goals are for her career, so I could never ask her to make that sort of sacrifice. Because I believe that our relationship should add to your life and not take away from it.
and I felt that. Ganun dapat yung mindset. I mean, before you even met that person, alam mo na sa sarili mo na may mga dreams, goals, and aspirations na siyang gustong ma-achieve. At hindi matitigil yun dahil dumating ka sa buhay niya. Ako I always believe na ang love life, bonus lang yan sa buhay mo. May jowa ka man o wala, buo ka. Kaya ka nga nagka-jowa, kaya ka may partner in life because that person will add value to your life. And if that person is exactly doing the opposite, hindi pwede. Hindi siya dapat nasa buhay mo. Madalas kasi nating misconception o naiisip natin kapag pumapasok tayo sa isang relationship, kailangan natin kalimutan at iwan at isacrifice yung mga bagay na dati nating kinaugalian just because ayaw ng partner natin yun o just because upo sila doon sa mga gusto nating gawin. Kasi alam nyo dapat, tinutulungan ka niyang paangat instead hilahin ka pababa. When you see a woman happy, working hard on her goals and become the best version of herself, please, don't interrupt her process unless you are genuinely going to add value to her life. Okay?